Venture capital provides the finance either in the financial institution or again through the bank. Beginning capital is called the seed capital. We give at the beginning of the year to start up the business. Some capital will be provided. Equity shareholders are permanent shareholder. Preference shareholders are temporary shareholder. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Management to 6th semester Unit 4, Session 1 in favor of BCom. So this goes to venture capital financing. So I am going to explain what is venture capital finance is the most important. So here we are financing for venture capital means when the new business is started, we invest this particular one. So before starting, I will give the some of the hint point. I am going to explain one by one now. This topic cover meaning of venture capital, what are the features of venture capital, development of venture capital in India, stages in venture capital financing, the business plan, essentials of a business plan, the process of venture capital financing, methods of venture financing, this investment mechanism. What are the investment mechanism here? So first I am going to say what is venture capital. I am going to explain very detailedly. It's a form of private equity and type of financing that investor provide to start up the company. When you want to start up the company, some finance should be provided there. So venture capital is such a way that so young entrepreneurs they want to start the business because of lack of finance. They are not in a position to do the business. For that, for entire enterprises who are 1 year old, 2 years old, the finance should be supplied. Whatever the capital supplied is called the venture capital. Startup and small business, see that this is a word, small business that are believed to have a long-term growth of potential venture capital. So they have got potentiality, but they do not have the money at all. For that, a capital has to be supplied because they are the potentiality is there, but lack of finance, they are not in a position to reap because finance is the lifeblood of the business. They have got lack of finance. They are not in a position to start the business because of the lack of finance. So in order to lack of finance, no, what they will do, no? So they want some capital that is called your venture capital. Generally comes from well-off investors. So somebody here, no, this is 2 point. One side we have got an investor, one side who are working for that. But this man do not have the money. This man has the money, but he can invest the money. He do not know how to run the business. Another man, he knows that how to run the business, do not have the business, do not have the money at all. So there are two parallel lines are there. Who are the two parties are? One is the investor, another is the worker, means the man who can execute the work. The man who execute the work do not have the money at all. Those who are an investor, they have the money, they do not know how to execute the work. So these two parties are there. These two parties should be combined together. That's what we hear. Generally comes well-off investor, investment bank, and any other financial institution provides venture capital. So here the most important norm, either the bank or any financial institution plays a very, very important role. We see that some banks already announces no for unemployed youth who have got a potentiality. The bank and the financial institution will provide the finance to develop. It is not only develop if a youngster has built up some company, it is not only developed for himself, it is a developer for the country. Because if he start the company, he can provide the employment to number of people. A country can be developed only by today, the young generation. You take the advice of the elders and start the company. The capital has been provided by any other financial institution, provide the venture capital. Venture capital is a risk capital, almost a risk capital we say. So who will provide? The financial investment provide, some institution provide, some investors are ready to give the finance, but they do not know how to execute the work. But other sides are there, they know how to execute the work. Because lack of finance, they are not in a position to start the business. So this is the way we have got. In India, it is like this, no? Why you are not developing? Because of this. This is the reason we have got. So what actually venture capital, no? We will provide the capital with the help of financial institution, with the help of the bank, so that young generation can come forward and take the risk. They must have a risk like that. Don't think, if I invest now, if the money gone, what can I do? So that should not be think of. So you work hard, arrange the figure, find out which are the ways you can do this. You take the money, have a good plan, have a good project, prepare a good project, and go through number of times. You study so many books and refer and find out which are the ways to be maintained. If you are engineer, if you are MBA graduate, whatever may be, so you have got idea, you put both the idea, and that money will be what's called provided by either by the bank or the financial institution. Go ahead and develop the what's called the your business. So once you develop now, you can provide the employment to number of people. Developing the youngsters is definitely a good game from point of the country is concerned. Countries also develop now. So many companies are coming up. So venture capital provides the finance either in the financial institution or again through the bank. It refers to investment of risk capital in venture which have potential to generate greater revenue in future. Definitely will have a greater revenue in future is there. So that means if you work more and more, naturally first year may be a loss. But the revenue will come generate. If you work more and more, generate means your income will be generate year by year, it goes on generating. So better the youngster take the risk, take the help of either the bank or the financial institution, or with the help of some investor who wants to invest the money in your business is concerned. Generate that, expand your business. First year may be a loss, in the next year it can be what's called work properly, you definitely will get the profit. Believe to have long-term growth of potential venture. So you have got a long-term growth potential venture. You have got a potentiality is there. Because of the lack of capital, you are not in a position to do the business. So this time, the venture capital plays a very important role to develop the youngster. So either the financial institution or the bank came forward to help the youngsters so that they can develop themselves and provide them, so they can start the business. From the business, no, they can provide the number of employment can be provided. Then we'll move on. Types of venture capital. We'll touch all the points here. One is called a seed capital. Second is called the startup. I will give the 1, 2 or 3 hint points are there. I'm going to explain. Then startup capital, early stage capital, expansion capital, late stage capital. We go one by one. What is seed capital? See the word? What is a seed capital? The description seed is appropriate here since it suggests money that will fuel a startup the growth down the road. At this point, the leaders of startup may not have any common method to avail the capital. Here, seed capital means the capital which has been provided at the beginning of the year. So that at the initial stage, you do not have the capital at all. That capital will be provided. That's called the seed capital way. So in order to grow, now you must have initial capital. Without initial capital, we cannot start the business. That initial capital will be provided. If we have got about 20%, at least 10%, remaining can be invested by the investor, either by the financial institution or the bank which provides. So here, the major point, no, at the early stage, you may have, do not have. Seed means at the early stage, do not have. That capital is provided. The beginning capital is provided by either the financial institutions or the bank to start the business, because you are going to find you do not have the money at all. Don't worry. We, the financial institution, have came forward to provide the finance. Yeah. At the beginning stage, we'll provide the finance is considered. Here, no, start that will fuel to start. Giving a fuel to start just like, when any vehicle wants to start, some fuel is essential. That fuel is nothing but a money here. That word has been taken like this. Fuel is a part and parcel of if you want to start. Any vehicle is there, fuel is the most important. Here also, if you start any business, money plays very important. That money will be provided by either by any one of the investor, either by the bank or the financial institution, so that the youngster can take the step and start the business. That's the first one. Then startup capital. This is the second stage of venture capital. First is the seed capital, second is the venture capital. In this stage, the startup capital is provided when the investee company is more than the 1 year old. If the company is 1 year old, they are ready to give the finance. If the investee company is 1 year old, don't worry, we will provide the finance. Go ahead, start the business, go ahead, work out and bring out the good result. It may give you. So either there are so many institutions has came forward to provide the finance. If the investee company is large in size, like this is an example I have given, petroleum refineries. If the large companies are there, like this petroleum refinery, cement plants, startup finance is provided even when they are 2 or 3 years old. Though I already told it's only 1 year old small business, if this business goes in favor of petroleum refineries, cement plants, which is 2 years old, 3 years old, or 4 years old, for that also the capital is provided by either the bank or the financial institutions which came forward to provide that, because these are all the foundation stone for the country is considered, because petroleum refinery, cement plant is quite essential for us, is so that the finance will be provided by, because they have got potentiality, but they can't do the business because of the financial. So they have got a demand. Every demand is there, but they are not in a position to do this to satisfy the customer because of the financial difficulties. So that finance will be provided by either by the financial institution or the banks are considered. This is another important. Then we go to the early stage capital, beginning stage capital we go. This is the third stage of venture capital. First is the seed capital, second is the startup capital, third one is the seed capital is considered. In this stage, finance is required for establishing full production facilities, manufacturing system, establishing dealer network facilities, launching advertisement campaign. So once you start this now, when you go for advertisement, you want a large sum of money. That sum of money is provided by financial institution or the bank, because advertisement is a part of the business today. Without advertisement, we can't develop now. First, we start the business. In the early stage, for early stage also, they will give some finance. They will provide finance like this. First 25%, next 25%, next 25%, next 25%, they are going to provide. So that that when they clear one by one, no, they will release the money. So that even for advertisement, if we require money, that money will be provided by the financial institution or the banks are considered, so that we can advertisement. That's a next stage you have got. For that advertisement also, we will provide the finance. This is a manufacturing system, establishment dealers are there, and launching advertisement campaign, which is because to launch the advertisement campaign, we require more capital. More capital will be provided by the financial institution or the banks which are relevant. They are very definite. They say that you go ahead, we will provide the finance, you take the risk and see that the good result should become, make the more advertisement, reach the common man and find out what are their demands. According to that demand, you manufacture the article so that we can have one more financial institution can be provided you. Don't worry about this. Finance is concerned. We the financial institution will provide the finance to you. But only thing, no, you have to work hard and reach to the demand of the customers are considered. Expansion capital, this is another point, that is the early stage capitalist has gone. Now, once expansion has come, already you have expanded 50%. So expansion, if you want to some more expansion, it already existing. You want to expand the business. If you want to expand the business, what we require? Capital is required. Here, no. Growth is often exponential by this stage according to some experience service. This is important as a more fuel for the fire, enabling expansion to additional market and diversification and differentiation of products line. So we want to have a different product lines are there. So only point we have a drawback of the finance. We want to develop, there is a demand, all things are there, but we cannot come forward because of the financial difficulties. Now the financial institution says, don't worry, you want to expand the business, no, you expand the business, for that we'll provide, but show the result. Show the good result. Show the good result we will give you so that we can expand the business. You first is they will provide the money at the early stage. Once you go ahead, they will provide the money for advertisement also. They will provide the money for expansion program also, expansion capital also. Then once you go ahead with the experience service, more fuel for the fire, more fuel for more money. More money is required. So that's why you say this word is fuel for five. More fuel for five means we want more money for the expansion program. Crores of rupees are required. Don't worry, we will provide the finance, but show the result. Show the good result, we will provide you. This is a differentiation. Then late stage capital. Once the expansion is over, come back to the last stage capital. With a commercially available product, a startup at this stage should be taken simple revenue, if not profit. So at least some revenue show you some revenue, not maximum profit is not required. Show the some revenue. So here from the stage to stage, we can say that one is the seed capital, one is called the startup capital, one is called the expansion capital you want. Then we have a late stage capital. See that here, first beginning capital is called the seed capital. We give at the beginning of the year to start up the business, some capital will be provided. Then once you start, early start now, but in order to start up the capital, some finance will be provided by the financial institution or the banks are considered, some investors are considered, then early stage capital, then expansion, then last one, late stage capital with a commercially available product. Products are all available product here. Startup this stage should be taken simple revenue. The revenue may be simple but not a profit. But many companies that get expansion funding in business in 2 to 3 years. You take 2 to 3 years in expansion, we see that you will be provided for 2 to 3 years. Your finance will be provided for a long term time. 2 to 3 years finance will be provided for us. Don't worry, you expand the business. So what's the venture capital? No, they say that you start the business at least stage also will provide the finance. When you go for expansion also, for the seed capital means when you want to start our early stage, we'll put the money in the beginning. Once you go to the setup stage, we'll provide the money. When you go to other stage, what's called expansion starts also, we'll provide the money. When you for advertisement campaign also, we'll provide the money so that you show the result. Within 2 or 3 years, maybe not a maximum profit, some revenue should be received. Some revenue should be received. This is a point. Then methods of venture capital. First is equity financing. So what is actually equities? It's a more popular method of venture capital. So we'll ask the public to become a shareholder. What's a share? Share is a part of share capital. Share is a part of share capital. So there are 2 types of share. One is called equity share, another is the preference share. Equity shareholders are permanent shareholder, preference shareholders are temporary shareholder. It's a base. We issue the prospectus inviting the public to become a shareholder. When they become a shareholder, they will provide the finance. They are the holder, but the money has been come. This is the first we say that this is a equity financing is the first important we have got. That word is most important. No? Venture capital provide investment equity capital in the investment company. That means venture capital provides purchases equity share in investing company. By this venture capital provides share that initial period of losses of investing company. It's a boon It's a boon. It's a boon to venture capital. So equity capital is a boon to venture capital because which plays a more important role. Ask the public to become a shareholder. Once they know that the capacity of the firm, public wants to become a shareholder. There are two types of shareholder we got. One is called the equity shareholder. Another is called the preference shareholder. Equity shareholders are permanent shareholder. Equity shareholders are temporary shareholder. The rate of dividend of equity share is not fixed. The rate of dividend of preference shareholder is fixed. And also, it's one of the important finance is considered. Equity finance plays very, very important role. That's the first point. Then we have got debt security, debt finance, borrow the money. Borrow the money is another. Ask other company to provide the finance. If one company gives the loan to another company, they are called the debenture holder. The rate of interest is fixed. You have to pay back the money once you earn it. But the rate is fixed here on the date of the finance. The debt we say that word is there. 6% debenture or 10% debenture. That means debenture at 6%, the rate of interest is 6%, the rate of interest is 10%. So they have, say, once you want to pay the interest, once you want to pay the interest, no, the interest is fixed at 6%. But this is another type of the, what's called the capital is provided through the debt, we say. First, through the equity share, through the debt. Now, number 3, conventional loans. This is another conventional loan. Loans that carry fixed rate of interest, like any other loan, is called conventional. It is also another type of loan, just like a debenture. Here also the rate of interest is like fixed. These loans are given in the form of bridge financing. As soon as the investing company gains the financial strength and start earning profit, it's ready to make an initial public offer of equity. So here, what they say is no, once your company is going to earn, this is important. These loans are given in the form of bridge finance. As soon as the investing company gains the financial strength, when you get the financial strength and start earning profit, it's ready to make a initial public offer of equity. The loan will be converted into equity shares here. It's a loan just like other loan. These companies are giving the loan to start up the company, to grow up the company. So here, the conventional loan is repaid out of the proceeds of the public issue after the allotment of share. So what they say is no, you issue the share, get back the money and clear the loan. First, you start the company. Once you start the company, no, you issue the share to the public. Once your company is known by the public, you issue the share to the public. Once they become the shareholder, whatever money you receive from that loan, you clear the loan. Once again, you get back the loan. What is a conventional loan? Just like other loans are considered. Once you get the loan, we build up the company will issue the share. When you issue the share, the public wants to become a shareholder because if they know your company is going to be potentiality companies there, they want to become a shareholder. Once they become a shareholder, whatever the money you receive, from that money, clear up the loan. Then you got conditional loan. That is conventional loan. It is called conditional loan. Unlike bank, this is important. Unlike bank loans, conditional loans have neither predetermined repayment nor any fixed rate of interest. That means these loans does not carry interest. Means the rate of interest is not fixed, but also these conditional loan, they say you have to pay back the loan within 2 years, you have to pay back the loan within the 3 years, you have to pay back the loan within 4 years. So there is a condition has been put forth by the bank to manage, which has been provided. So these loans are most important, whereas the debt finance has got a rate of interest is fixed. Here the rate of interest is not fixed. They will say that it may vary from 4% to 5%, 5% to 6%. So this is another important point. In the case of conditional loan, the investing company need to put the lender in the form of royalty. So compensation is payable. They have to, in this case, the condition is only you pay back your money. Once you earn the money, you pay back our loan, get back further loans. Here, the rate of interest is not fixed. That's only point here. Then, income notes is a form of hybrid financing. Major financing is another. It combines the features of the traditional loan and conditional. It's a combination of traditional loan and conditional loans are there. Both are combined together, which the investee company pay both the royalty and, however, the returns payable at low rate. Whatever the interest is, when you compare to the other debenture loans are considered, the rate of interest is very less. So it is better have the what's called the loan from this side and develop yourself. So what actually the venture capital wants to know that we will provide the finance. Go ahead and develop yourself. So there are two types. First is the equity share. Then we have got a first see that first is the equity share you have got. Then we have a debt financing, conventional loan, conditional loan, income notes. So these are the loan provided by the institutions, banks, or any other institution. Debt financing there, equity share we have got conditional loan, conditional loans are there. Under conditional loan, unlike bank loans, conditional loans have neither predetermined nor repayment of nor any fixed rate of interest. That means these loan can be early stage. So the major role is played by equity shareholders. Equity share is one of the important venture capital. So we have got equity share, we have got the preference share. Equity shareholders are permanent shareholder, whereas the preference shareholders are temporary shareholder. The rate of dividend is not fixed for equity share. The rate of dividend is fixed for preference shares are there. Then we have got a debt financing. See that debt security, sales of debt security, raising capital, other venture capital, taking the debt from one company to other company, they are called the debenture holder. The rate of interest is fixed there. So we have to pay back. Once you get back the money, we have to pay back their interest. Here, no, because they get the periodical interest at a predetermined rate. I told 6% interest, already told 6% debenture, 10% debenture. So it's predetermined rate. However, raising finance through debenture may not be beneficial investment company because you have to pay the interest. Sometimes the interest is a must. Whether you earn the profit or suffer the loss, you have to pay the interest. That's why we are saying it is not beneficial to the investment company. Conventional loan carry a fixed rate of interest like any other loan, but these loans are not so much as debentures or loans are considered. We can have this loan and we can utilize this loan for the development of the company. Then conditional loans, we can take the loan either in the form of bank or any other financial institution, either neither predetermined or any fixed rate of interest is there. This is a interest is free now. When you compare to debt finance, better to take this conditional loan. Then income notes is another type of loan providing. It is nothing but it is feature of the traditional loan. It is nothing but it is a combination feature of traditional loan as well as a conditional loan, so that the particular business can be developed. In order to develop, these are the types of loan, types of capital we are going to provide under the venture capitals are considered. Hope you understand this. So I explained what is venture capital, what's the base of the venture capital, what are the types of venture capital I've explained. Hope you understand. We'll have some more ideas about in the next session. We'll meet you once again in the next session with another conditional ideas of the capitals are considered. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.